Hello everyone, thank you for joining again. My name is Taylor and today I'm going to show you how to create your first web page using HTML. First, we will go ahead and create a new file and it will be a text file. Let's go ahead and delete the extension .txt and add a name here. For this instance, I will call it website.html. Make sure you include this .html at the end of your name for your site. So here we can see this .html, and if we open this, it'll open in a web browser and we'll have an empty canvas here. So what we want to see is some text over here. The way we do that is, let's open this up into a text editor. You can use any text editor you feel comfortable with. If you're using Windows, I recommend using Notepad++, but if you're using Linux or Mac, then I recommend you find a good text editor that is available for those systems. For this, I will use Kate. It's a great text editor that I usually use here. So now that I added this file into Kate, we need to specify three major components. Let me make this large and zoom in. The main points we need are doc type, HTML here, and then HTML. Let's close the HTML. And then inside of the HTML tags, let's open up body. And then notice how I close the tags with a slash and then the name of the tag. So now in here we can push enter like this, so that way everything looks good. And inside of body, this is where we will store all of our containers as well as our text. So I will go ahead and create an h1 tag, which is a header tag, and we will say hello world. And let's save this. Let's go back to our browser and refresh the page. As you can see, it says hello world here. A great thing that you can do when using HTML is we can start using different tags like paragraph, and then we can say hello world. This will be much smaller than the h1 tag. Let's go ahead and save and then refresh. As you can see here, it shows here. You can also create buttons here. So let's go ahead and create a button. And in here we'll say click me. Save it and then minimize. Let's open up and see, it lets you click. Of course there's no functionality, but I'll go ahead and add some functionality and replace this hello world with goodbye world. So what we need to do is create on click equals and open up parentheses, and inside here we'll name this goodbye, and then open and close parentheses. I'm going to introduce you to something new called scripts. So this is a script tag, which is JavaScript, and this is where we give our button functionality. So we created a goodbye function. So to create a function, we have to specify function and then the name of the function, goodbye. And then inside of here, we will open up brackets, and in those brackets we will say document dot get element by ID, and then we open and close parentheses, type dot inner HTML is equal to, and then we will name this goodbye world. We are missing two things. which are the name of the ID for this paragraph tag, and calling it right here. So we can call it ID is equal to goodbye. And now we can call that goodbye ID by typing goodbye. And let's go ahead and save this, minimize this, refresh the page, and now if I click here, it's gonna say goodbye world. As you can see, it changed it here. Thank you all for joining and hope to see you next time.